been here for 5 minutes and I've kept 5 good ones, and my screen's just full of perch. Right now we're just on a North Dakota pothole, little slough lake, and right now we're up in about 5-6 feet of water, and we're targeting the mud flats of this lake. This lake gets probably 20 feet deep, about a mile south, but some days the perch like to really come up and cruise these mud flats. And really the first hole I drill was catching fish. Been looking all day for these fish on different parts of the lake. Finally found them up shallow. It's a keeper. Jesus. Oh. Oh no. He's off. No. It's a little guy. Let's see if I can show you guys what's going on. Got him. It's a little like 8.5, 9-incher. And I'm just using a little Wonder Bread jig with a wax form or plastic. Oh, here we go. Got him. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's another probably 10.5-incher, 10. Oh, it's all 10.5. Look at that. How do I miss it? Okay, now here's 2. My bobber's down. Feels decent. It's another eater. That feels decent. Oh. Look at that one. Took the dead stick. It's probably a good 11-incher. There we go. Freaking dink. Can't run 2 lines, I can't pay attention. Oh, there we go. Crushed it. It's another 10-incher. Just using that ultralight rip and wrap there. Missed that one. Eat it, you fuck. It's like an 8-incher. Crushed it. Oh. Really? Oh no, you gotta release you. You're massive.